Can't do push-ups from the floor? Follow this guide to make some insane progress. First, you need to make sure you're traveling through a full range of motion. If you can't do push-ups from the floor, that means you can elevate your hands to make the exercise easier. You can use a box or a barbell in a rack to make those push-ups easier. When you bring your chest to the edge of a box or a barbell, lead with the tallest portion of your chest as your touchdown point. The higher the box, the easier it is, and the lower the box, the harder the push-up is going to be. Perform push-ups a minimum of 3 times per week, focusing on different rep ranges. Day 1, target rep ranges 4 through 6, so you should be targeting a lower box or a challenging height as far as your push-up difficulty is concerned. Do 3 sets of 4 to 6 reps. Day 2, perform negatives from the floor, so you're slowly controlling the push-up from the top position all the way down through the floor. And day 3, you're performing a target rep range of 8 to 10 reps. You might need a higher box to make this happen, but try and get 8 to 10 reps in a row for 3 sets. Rest breaks can be your best friend, so don't try and take really short rest breaks. Take longer rest breaks of maybe even 2 minutes between sets, just so you can focus on technique and rep quality. By performing push-ups several times per week, you're gonna make awesome gains. A lot of my clients are able to go from a box down to the floor within 4 to 12 weeks of performing push-ups several times a week. For technique tips, visit the Mastering the Push-Up PDF or YouTube series on our YouTube channel.